What are the advantages? One of the biggest advantages is that they will have money and will be able to study at the same time. What are the disadvantages? The disadvantage is that you may have little quality time to share with friends, family, and yourself, and that you may not to be able to fully devote yourself to learning what you are studying. What is your own opinion? For my point of view, it is a difficult process, but your organization it can be carried out in a good way. As in this something that I do study and work at the same time, and I have learned to complete with everything on time. And this is and this is my result. Thank you.